A sheer vastness especially shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, which truly is very critical. The cost of a sheer vastness in a real sense rose by 1.6% in the past 24 hours in a quite huge manner. As far as Axie's support floor, it sort of is presently $10.21 in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie essentially has its exceptionally next obstruction at $11.87, which sort of is very huge. 20 January 2024, in this video we will generally walk you through a sheer endlessness cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, certainly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What sort of is truly transient cost expectation for a sheer limitlessness, sort of is Axie's a very wise interest in a truly significant manner. A sheer endlessness support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping extremely profound into the Axie's specialized examination, truly let us in a real sense discuss the truly current economic situations, which really is genuinely critical. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,634,390,721,246 in an unpretentious manner. The very complete exchanging volume really remains at $57,055,176,489 in a genuinely enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, showing how the exceptionally all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $57,055,176,489, amazingly. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, showing how yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the Axie's specialized investigation, generally let us in every way that really matters, discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which in a real sense is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span, showing that 20 January 2024. In this video, we will really walk you through a sheer vastness cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is transient cost expectation for a sheer limitlessness basically is Axie's an essentially wise speculation, which generally is genuinely critical. Sol, the local coin of Solana, explicitly is somewhere near 2.93 and as of now exchanging at $91.67 in an extremely significant manner. Moreover, XRP came to 55 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0% in esteem, which especially is genuinely critical. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market truly is going in a really descending bearing for most certainly transient in an exceptionally huge manner. As of now, a genuinely broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they for the most part thought. A sheer boundlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route. So a sheer limitlessness support and opposition levels and so on, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers sort of become sort of more essentially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors really move fundamentally dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of a sheer vastness, Axie's, a sheer endlessness execution. The especially day-to-day outline of a sheer boundlessness fundamentally shows that the Axie's cost most certainly has explicitly flooded up with a 1.6% expansion, in most certainly beyond 24 hours, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. The value worth of the Axie limitlessness Axie's coin generally is remaining at $7.75, with market capitalization $1,052,009,394 United States dollars, showing how the essentially all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $57,055,176,489, which fundamentally is very critical. Axie's cost changes 4.63% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part is drifting around $72,723,298 United States dollars, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness value examination Axie's cost examination for 20 January 2024, inside a genuinely day-to-day time period, certainly made sense of beneath incredibly. We utilize most certainly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Axie limitlessness in an unobtrusive manner. As a matter of fact, the Axie boundlessness truly has really break all its by and large backings levels, and things generally are not looking great for the crypto market. So as far as Axie's support floor, it generally is presently $10.21 in a for the most part huge manner. At present, generally bears in every practical sense are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take Axie's cost beneath the significant help level of $10.21. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span, exhibiting that 20 January 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Axie endlessness cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Axie limitlessness, fundamentally is Axie's a truly wise interest in a kind of significant manner. The MACD line for the most part is remaining underneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, so yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Axie's specialized examination, certainly let us by and large discussion about the kind of current economic situations in a sort of huge manner. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day graph, showing how Axie's cost changes 4.63% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume certainly is floating around $72,723,298 United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and by and large is attempting to sort of break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, which for the most part is very critical. While Axie's Williams %R marker especially is at 61.794 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, certainly signal in every way that really matters, is especially conceivable at this reach, sort of additional appearance.